Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to redeem Microsoft Rewards Spotify Premium in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, now this reward is actually only available in some regions, so don't be confused if it's not showing on your end. Alright, so as you can see, this one, it says here that this is available as a Microsoft reward, but then again, it's only available to some regions. Now, with that out of the way, let me go ahead and show you how to redeem this. So, first off, go ahead and log in to your Microsoft Rewards, and then from here, you want to click Redeem right over here. Then you can already search Spotify here. So let's type it in here, Spotify, hit enter. And Spotify Premium should be listed here as a reward for you if it's available in your region. As you can see, it's not available here on my region, but then again, it's only available to some. But basically, that's it. Now you know how to redeem Microsoft Rewards Spotify Premium in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!